For example, with the recent Instagram update, now when you scroll left, instead of going to your DMs, which is what people mostly use Instagram for, it goes straight to Reels, and then it captures your attention instantly with the first reel that you see, and before you know it, you're scrolling. For the next 7 days, I will not be consuming any form of media. I will be creating content, and I will not be going through the dopamine loops that the companies want you to go through. Because I noticed that when I started the journey of creating content here, it started to consume me as well, because it's very natural to also consume when you are creating. Not to mention the addiction to likes and views and engagement and people commenting and caring about what you're doing and what you have to say. We humans are very social beings, so we have this inherent desire and need to want to be seen and heard, and these platforms kind of exploit that, even for creators. Even creators are forced to create in a way that will maximize likes and engagement and views, and that in itself is consuming on top of already also consuming other people's content. The point is, it's very difficult now to create and not consume, so you have to almost make it like a hard and fast rule. And consumption in itself is not inherently a bad thing to do. Like, you can totally consume content, but I've noticed for myself over the long term, when I do consume short form content like Reels, even if they are some type of valuable content, it doesn't really do me any good because it prevents me from taking action. It's just maybe a me thing, but I'm sure there's people out there who can relate. If that is the case, please join in on the challenge. See if you can just not consume any media for 7 days. So no Netflix, no YouTube Shorts, no Instagram Reels. I'll be documenting what happens when I feel the urge to consume content. And the only rule is that I don't get to consume media content, which means I can read books, which is something that I really want to get more into. I've just bought myself a Kindle as well. That's the intention. In 7 days, no media consumption. Feel free to join in on the challenge, and let's see if y'all can make it.